What is 221G administrative processing for us visas? Imagine waiting for your visa approval and suddenly hearing about a delay. That's often when you hear about 221G administrative processing. It's a term that can make anyone anxious, but understanding what it really means can help ease the stress. When you apply for a US visa through consular processing, the officer reviews your documents and interview. Sometimes, they can't make a final decision right away. Instead, they put your application into a temporary hold called administrative processing. This is not a denial or approval. It simply means your case needs more review before moving forward. The name 221G comes from a section of the Immigration and Nationality Act that covers this process. When you get a 221G notice, it usually indicates the consulate needs extra information or must do background checks. These checks can involve verifying your documents, security clearances, or confirming your petition approval if you are applying for family reunification or community building. For example, if you are sponsored by a family member or community organization, your case might need extra security checks. The processing time can vary widely. It could take a few weeks or several months. Sometimes, it lasts longer if the case is complex or if multiple agencies are involved. Unfortunately, there is no way to speed up this process. When you receive a 221G notice, it's important to respond quickly if they ask for additional documents. Providing everything they request can help avoid further delays. If no extra information is needed, you just have to wait for the consulate to finish their review. For families trying to reunite or build community in the United States, this waiting period can be frustrating. It's normal to feel uncertain, but knowing that this is a common part of the process can help. Staying organized, keeping copies of all your documents, and staying in touch with the consulate can make this time easier. If the process takes a long time or if you're unsure what to do, talking to an immigration lawyer can be helpful. They can guide you on the best steps to take and keep your case moving forward. In simple terms, 221G administrative processing is a temporary pause on your visa application. It's often part of the consular processing journey, especially when security or background checks are involved. Patience and preparation are your best tools while waiting for your final decision.